So it's another day at home. You're listening to the
Layla
and Dada show. That's better.
Yep.
So we didn't do much today because it's been raining. Actually, we haven't done we kind of skipped a couple episodes.
Yeah, because I was tired of them. And
Yeah.
You do that every day.
And we're actually, normally I'm sitting on a stool, you're sitting on my chair, my office chair.
Yeah.
But today you're sitting on my lap. We're trying something different to see if that stops you from touching the microphone and fidgeting a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And today is going to be a short episode because...
Easton is climbing on my mother.
Yeah, and he's putting his butt in her face.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so she's
Don't
like...
say butt.
Oh, tushy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Butt is a bad way to say.
Oh. And so we're making this a short one. Mama said, make it a quick one. Right?
Yeah. So maybe we can be done for now. And
Already?
yeah, because...
Well, didn't you tell me, beside from Ellen, that you wanted somebody else to listen to the episode so that maybe one day...
Blippy.
So Layla wants everybody to share this with Blippy.
Yeah. So please ask Blippy, because Blippy is in real life. If you know his number, just do it.
Do you remember how to spell Blippy?
B.
Mm-hmm.
I.
Close. Blippy.
L.
Yeah.
P. P.
Well,
I.
So it's started from the beginning. Blippy. You had it right, but you got a little out of order. So let's try it again from the beginning. First letter?
B.
Second letter? Blippy.
L.
Yeah.
P. P.
Well, you skipped an I.
Oh, I.
B-L-I.
P. P. I.
You got it. Blippy. Yeah. So, that's how you spell Blippy. And Layla wants to meet Blippy one day.
Yep.
Right.
And if you know Blippy, tell me that you do, because I love Blippy.
Blippy and Ellen, that's the two people she wants to meet in this world.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And Steve and Maggie.
Steve and Maggie, too.
But Maggie is just a puppet.
How's the theme song go for Steve and Maggie? How's the music go?
Steve and Maggie.
Yeah. So today we were playing, and while Mama was working, you and I were playing, and Easton, and I was pretending I was the Beast and putting you in my little dungeon, right? Mm-hmm. And then what did you go and do?
Hide it.
No, what did you do? You put on something.
My dress.
Your bell dress.
I have every dress unless, Little Mermaid and, Fancy Nancy and Layla and...
But you have like PJs and stuff with them.
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah, like nightgowns and
Yeah,
stuff.
but I don't have my Atlanta one anymore.
Right, it got too small.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can get a new one.
So tomorrow is Friday, and Mama only has to work a half day tomorrow. So that means you're going to have Dada to play with for a little bit in the morning, and then a whole lot of Mama the rest of the day. Mm-hmm. That's fun. Dada gets a big day of work for the first time in 3 weeks. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Because you love walking.
I do love working.
Kinda.
And I feel like with the virus and me not working as much, I'm not getting as much done. And now tomorrow I'll get caught up a little bit. That'll be good.
Yeah, but I'll miss you.
I know.
A lot.
Mwah. I love you. Mwah. Okay, so this is a fun short episode. And maybe tomorrow we'll do another one, or whenever the next time you want to do one. We're not going to force you to do one. So next time you want to do one.
Let's do our show.
Okay. You have been listening to the
Layla
and Dada show.
Bye.
Ay, ay.